Hey guys, so 2 days ago I made this thing, which I think it's called a Magna probe, and it's basically a 3D compass, just like this thing, but in 3D. It has three axes, Z, Y, and X, Y, and Z, and you can just like a compass see the polarity of a magnet, but just in 3D, like this. You can see here the North Pole face the South Pole, and if you rotate it, you see it flips and turns the North Pole into South Pole, which is facing to the North Pole of the magnet. So I have 3D printed this with my 3D printer over there. It's an Ender 3 version 3, I think, and it does its job pretty well. And I have some other kind of magnet, and this is a ferrite magnet, which I have gotten from a magnetron, and this works pretty well. You can see here. It sees the polarity of the magnetic field, or the direction, the magnetic field. And there is another thing which can see magnetic fields. I will bring it here. Another way to see the magnetic field is using an old CRT TV. Let's turn it on. The way this works is by this CRT TV has an electron beam in the backside of the TV, and it uses the cannon to create images, and which shoots at the screen, which is coated with a phosphor layer, and the beam is directed with an electromagnet at the back, which looks like this, as you can see here. This is an electromagnet I have extracted from an old CRT TV, and this directs the beam to a horizontal and vertical, and it converts it in an image. So if I bring a magnet like this was the neodymium magnet we talked about before. So if I bring it close to the screen, we can see it has an effect, and the color begins to change. And if I place it like this, you can kind of see the magnetic field lines. If I bring a bigger magnet, like this ferrite magnet over here, you can see that the magnetic field lines are pretty much visible. And you can get a even bigger magnet like this, and the effect will be greater. Okay, that was it. That was a quick demonstration of the CRT TV. Let's get on to create our own Magna probe. Here we have everything you need to make yourself a Magna probe. First, you need to have a magnet, actually two magnets, which are attached to a piece of plastic. If you played with these things before, these are just magnets with iron balls, and you can construct a lot of things with them. But we only need one of these magnets, and we need a white or we need a light piece. So we could later color the north pole of the magnet red. This is just a permanent marker, by the way. Then we need these two. Then we need these two things. These are 3D printed, and here will come the magnet in the middle. So I will leave a file. I will leave a link for the files in the description below. Then we need two stainless steel or aluminum rods. These are 3 millimeters, and they will be put here in this hole, and they will secure this square or rectangular thing in place. We will need two sleeves for these aluminum or or stainless steel rods. These are just to secure them in place, as you can see here. You'll need to give them a little push, and they will stick pretty well. Then we'll need this 1.5 millimeter rod. It can be from iron or any other metal. And then you can begin with assembling the whole Magna probe. So first you'll need to get this rectangular shaped 3D printed part. Then you're going to insert it in here through this hole, which is already 3D printed. You may need to make the hole bigger, so if the your rod doesn't fit, you can make it a little bit bigger. And attach the other side. So you have this rectangular thing secured. Sometimes needs a little push. I will assemble it and get back to you. I finally got the rod through here. I have also added a little bit of hot glue because I made the hole bigger, and then added some hot glue to secure it. And now you could simply just put the first side in here, and then the second side you can push inside, and then you'll have the rectangle rotating in here. Then you can add this 1.5 millimeter, in this case an iron rod. You must first add the magnet. I have drilled a hole in here before putting it inside. Then you can push the rod all the way through. And then you can finally add the sleeve on both sides, so they don't have a lot of friction, because that will have a lot of impact on the probe itself. It's a little bit. I will again assemble it and let's try it on. I got the sleeves on, and now it's a functional Magna probe. As I showed you before, it reacts to the magnetic field lines of the magnet, and it's a pretty funny way to view the magnetic field lines. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.